Need your Monday.com API key for integrations or automations? It's hidden just a few clicks away in your profile settings. Let me show you how to find it quickly and securely. Let's get started. First, open Monday.com in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to navigate to your settings. Then, click your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This opens a drop-down with multiple settings options. Next, select Administration from the drop-down menu. This takes you to your account's backend settings. After that, click on Connections in the sidebar menu. This is where all API and integration-related settings are stored. Under the Connections section, click Personal API Token. Your API key will be displayed. Simply copy it and use it for your integrations. And that's how to find your Monday.com API key with ease. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more step-by-step tech guides. See you next time!